Hey Shopify sellers, welcome back to Taranker's YouTube channel, your go-to place for tools and tips to elevate your e-commerce game. Today we'll guide you through setting up automated dropshipping using the GSR Dropshipping app, a powerful tool to streamline your dropshipping process with Shopify. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Step 1. Install the GSR Dropshipping app. Head to Taranker website, search for GSR Dropshipping, and click Try for free to install it. This app is your gateway to automated product imports, inventory sync, and fulfillment management, saving you tons of time. Step 2. Import products to your store. Browse the GSR Dropshipping catalog and select the products you want to add. With just a few clicks, you can import them directly into your Shopify store, including all product details like descriptions, pricing, and images. Step 3. Monitor and track orders. Once orders start rolling in, you can monitor the fulfillment progress and track shipments directly in the app. This makes it easy to keep customers updated about their orders without lifting a finger. And there you have it, 3 simple steps to set up automated dropshipping. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more e-commerce tips from Taranker. Happy selling!